What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be putting in one of these MSD 2-steps. It hooks on the original 6AL. I'm looking for something that I can just have a little launch control. Truck likes to respond a little bit too much and it likes to carry through the brakes, so I thought maybe if I take this out racing it would help me a little bit more. I don't need it for the street or nothing like that, but hopefully it just helps. So we're gonna get started. So I was thinking about putting this right here so I could see the light. Then I thought, well, maybe I'll put it over here, but then it doesn't look right, you know, with all the wires. But I can hide the wires under the steering column and then go behind this panel. So I'm just worried here it's gonna come off, but I think maybe we'll just put it here because I want to be able to see it without really trying too hard. That's the only reason I want it, is just so I can see the actual light. So with the steering wheel on, I can see it pretty good. I think maybe we'll put it a little lower, that way the wires aren't so exposed. It wouldn't be bad, you know, if I was looking at the tree over here all the time, I'd just put it there. But, you know, if I'm running over here, I don't want to have it here if I'm over here looking at the tree, and I don't want it way over here if I'm looking at the tree. So I think maybe here I can just do a quick glance, and we're gonna try to run with that. So as you can bolt it on, screw it on. I'm just gonna sticky tape it for now. That way if I don't like it, hopefully I can just pull it off this plastic and put it somewhere else. I'm gonna go ahead and ground it to inside the little cluster panel here, and then they provide you with a little splice deal to put on your tack wire. Red is going to be your switched hot, and then blue is gonna be your activate. So I'm just gonna hook my red to a hot wire on my switch, and then I'm just gonna use one wire to activate it, and I'm just using it for launch control. I'm not gonna put a line lock on it or any kind of trans brake at all. So just want a consistent launch at 2000 is what I'm shooting for. We can go ahead and drill a hole so we can get our momentary push button switch hooked up. Pretty hot out today in Michigan, so it's not going to mess with it tonight at all. But look for an updated video on it, and I'll make sure I post something. But I didn't see anything on YouTube that pertained to exactly what I wanted, so I hope it works. I just gotta really test it, and I guess that's the only thing we can do. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.